Hi and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the color picker tool in Pixellab. This is one of the tips and tricks of using Pixellab. So this feature allows you to be able to pick a color from an image or from a shape that you want to use in other areas of your design. So the first thing is to open Pixellab as usual, and after that, so this is my interface, and so let me import a picture that I'm going to use for this. Okay, this is a picture, so I'm going to use this picture to pick up a color that I can use for my design. Okay, so let me use a color from the image as my background. So can you see that now at the top right? So this one is for you to input a color code. So if you have a color code, you can use this to get the color, but if you want to pick the color, you use the other one. Can you see that? Let me select the image. So I select the image and I tap on the particular area where I want the color to appear. Can you see the top right? The color is changing. Okay, can you see that? As I'm selecting the area, the color is changing. So I'm picking the color that I need for my background in this case. Can you see that? So let me just select one image, one color to use. So I've selected this. Can you see now the background color is changed? Let me try another color. Can you see that? So you can pick up a color from any image, any shape, or any element at all. So all you have to do is to import that element and use the color picker tool to do that. So that is all about this tip. Thank you very much for watching.